Hi girlies! It's your girl Maxine. Nakalimutan ko tuloy yung intro ko. So, sorry guys kung mahina yung boses ko, pero sana rinig pa naman to. So, lalaro tayo ng game ng Brookhaven. Ay, wag na. Nahinig kasi talaga ako. Laro tayo ng speed draw. Guys, maglaro tayo speed draw kasi kinakopyright yung mga videos ko at galit na galit talaga ako tuwing may ganun ako. Okay? Okay? Gets nyo ba yun? Goofy. Kung nanonood ako ko. Black talaga to. Kasi 2 minutes na lang. Uy. Baka magpapalitan pa tayo. Uy. Pwede pa tayo manalo. Uy. My presence is your presence. Oh, yeah. Chocolate, if you get some. Now you got a little candy crush. Be careful cause you never really know. Every day, celebrate you and me. Yeah, every day. It's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. If you wanna take up the sugar and lock. If you wanna spice up and turn your feet up. Baby in the cake, but I know that you got on the cherry on top. Money on your feet, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frisky as it can be. Baby in the cake, but I know what you got on the cherry on top, cherry on top. See, cherry, cherry, I'm so very remember cotton candy. It's a clown, dripping drama, orange, so fancy. You can deny, no, you can deny. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. I'm a sight for sorry eyes. One look at your paralyzed. Dancing in the disco lights. I can do this my life. Cemental at well. So yun guys. Sorry for not posting that low. Oh gosh. Go. Oh my gosh. What is that? Sorry. Tagal tayo. Tagal. Ako una. Isip. Guys, let's see guys kung mag-win tayo ng isa man lang round. Okay, let's wait. Sorry. Oh my gosh, what the hell is that? Oh my god. So, gusto nyo po mag-face reveal na ako. Tignan nyo. Pero papakita ko na. Oh, because first ako. Titingnan ko lang guys kung ano tingin nyo sa akin nung kung nag-glow up ba ako nung simula dun sa picture ko na yun, sa login profile ko as of July. So, ngayon October na. Tignan nyo na lang kung yun or diba? May nag-glow up ba sa akin? May nag-glow ba sa akin? Kasi yung profile pic ko na yun, last year pa yun. As if July ng 2023. So, tignan nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-face reveal ako. Sige, pagbibigyan ko kayo. Sa atin naman. Charot. Ang pangit ng drawing ko yung mata. Di talaga ako sulit. Pangit ko talaga mag-drawing. Okay na. Submit ko na. Ako first to. Ako yan eh. Diba? Kasi naman nanalo ako eh. Goofy kasi yan, goofy. Goofy yan, like goofy. Purchase. Yes, purchase ko na yun. More. Kaya, guys, nag-silent ako kasi wala lang. May binili kasi ako emote. So, yun na guys. Kapag itong video nag-hit ng 600 likes plus, maybe, or no, mga 200 likes, mag-face reveal na ako. Kasi yung last pic ko na yun, July of 2023 pa yun. Kaya dapat, ay may mga pictures na ako ng October. Oh no. So, pag ito nag-hit talaga, tingnan nyo na lang kung nag-glow up ako. Pag ito nag-hit na 200 likes, mag-face reveal na ako. Bye bye girlies! Mwah!